Hi Sam, just finished the canopy wash. I gave a test section here on pump number 7. Did an 8x8 section. You can see here on the right side we have dirty. The left side we can see how clean it can get. There's the line. And it extends out to right in this region. So I believe we can get the concrete a little cleaner than what you're currently getting it. Maybe he hasn't been here for a while and maybe this was a really dirty pump, but I don't think so, and this looks pretty good, so let me know.